Hello, today I'm in Jeep Cherokee. In this video I'll show you how to adjust instrument cluster layout. In the beginning, take a look at the instrument cluster and now scroll down to 8th menu. Now press OK on the steering wheel and now you can select gear display, upper right, left center and upper center to adjust. Now you can change between menu title, none, compass, outside temperature, time, range to empty, fuel economy average, current, trip A distance, trip B distance, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.